好大霧啊今日。
Do we need to screw it on?
It'd probably be best.
Oh, we love a little walk about.
We know what we want to do. And we know. 今日個天好陰啊 ，shit！但係琴日咧有一個狀況咧，我哋本身喺一個公園度影緊，個態度勁差嘅女人啦，佢話仲有2個鐘，嗰啲小學生就會出嚟，跟住你就會玩呢個公園。跟住琴日佢話，同埋我個仔咧都好中意呢個公園㗎，所以咧你哋覺得你哋喺度咁樣拍嘢係唔係 appropriate 啊？咁樣跟住佢態度勁差，跟住就趕我哋走啦。咁我哋就決定咗呢一個先就改今朝拍，但係琴日天氣未好好嘅，今日係灰蒙蒙一片。
Okay, let's go. Closing time.
You only ever lost money?
Never lost
Oh,
money.
Granny used to get the
That's
newspaper
right,
out.
I
I
know.
know he used to get like little £1 and £2 coins. He used to muck about and do that. It was really.
Angus won 60 quid one time.
Did he?
And he got,
Oh.
and he got
I mean,
100 shit right now. Let's
Yeah.
cover it in some
Yeah.
stuff, make it pretty, do the handheld. Oh, and we have more.
I feel like this isn't gonna be nice.
I'll be the judge
Yeah.
of
It'll
that.
be
Let's
like
have
an
a
egg.
try.
Yeah. I reckon Theo's gonna like it.
I think I'll like it. Oh, hang on. This is getting out of control.
Yes.
Okay, Andre should be there in about 45 minutes.
9點堂。個老師。
Joey, please tell me you're only donating your time.
Friends.
All right, come on, you guys. It's not that big a deal. Really. I mean, I just go down.
Don't tell me, because of the big non-school plan? They were huge.
屌你咁樣，幾好味喎，好甜咯！我呢個屌你咁樣跟住你醒晒佢一個圓添喎，佢碌晒啊！快嘅特撚登，見你俾翻我睇嗰個晚餐嚟嘅，佢兩條，佢左右喎。咦
Twins，哇 Twins 啊，好似樣啊，一樣樣啊。
成個人逼埋你添咦？
嗰陣你扮 Audrey 啊，Audrey 你扮嗰陣啊，你做咗一模一樣嘅表情，係啊，
咁樣咯。
等先 ，OK， 1、2、3。
你可唔可以遞起你隻紙？
而家幾點啊，Audrey？
而家10:05，
我哋好健康。
係啊。緊早餐。
John 就喺度搞緊佢嘅 P。
哇！呢個呢隻碟靚啲嘅好似。
係啊。
因為黑。
你有個好似一碌木啊，你唔覺咩？
但係佢呢個包係咩包嚟？我唔知咩包嚟。
食飯。
咩嚟㗎？上面嗰度
睇唔到度。iPhone 嗰個 built-in 嗰個咯。係咁嘅樣嘅咩？你可以實時錄，實時一停錄佢就。
咦，你個
特曲之人啊！係。青老天啊！
苦笑啊！
點解苦笑啊？
唔開心。
點解啊？你唔係做完 cosplay 咩？
做完 cosplay 就代表即係要温其他嘢。
你唔想温其他嘢？
唔想啊，好攰啊！
哦，我都好攰。
已經冇寫字好耐啦，我發現。
哇！下裝啊，右邊嗰個係。哇！開大忌喎，死咗啦 Cam！有料有料。
讓我啫，讓我啫。
打招嘅我都試招嘅，我唔識玩嘢。
試招排骨啊，係嘛 ？OK。我哋啱啱買咗個 Exit 8嗰個恐怖 game，好驚啊！哎呀，而家裝去咗 update 佢個 Minecraft。哎呀 ，Minecraft launcher 要我 password。我問下你玩8號嘅心得。
都唔關我
你唔
事啊！
望鏡頭嘅。
冇計㗎啦 b r i 啲係鉗㗎啦。唔係啊，我寧願我哋而家
呢個玩完8號嘅心得。
60啊嘛，咁我隔離位都唔使夠啦，咁係正常啦。
Speaks volume。
佢出嚟演機嚟㗎。
你做乜影我？
唔使下來啊！他拿着插旗，你看不到，那你就
等一下啦，等一下啦，
等一下就看到了。
嚟㗎喎。
做乜鬧我又？啊！喂！
有冇多個煲蓋？
死未啦嗬？
唔係雞煲有自己個煲蓋㗎，係咩？
係啊，佢有自己煲過，呢個係我話你好矮啊！
未啊，係啊，我未㗎，我唔敢
朋友㗎。
哦，
我記得都唔
係咩？我唔記得嘅。
一定係未。
唔係咩？10月幾號啊？唔該喎。
好似係我哋仲喺度及佢咯，中文好。
係啊。
啱啱學咗車，揸到40，跟住仲有揸咗迴旋處。Blocking。今日繼續拍嘢，哈哈，好天！但係我哋今日拍內景，過馬路線。
The Sims go on my How does it affect
It's actually quite good, that idea, because sometimes you don't have like,
a lot of
you spin out like.
I feel like I love that it's not even
so
night.
big.
It's so
Oh,
big.
like
Yeah.
that's my hand. What the fuck? Oh my god. That's gonna be my thumbnail.
Okay, should we?
crack on?
Yeah. We're almost done. Just one more scene.
Yes.
10 minutes. 2 hours.
Oh no. Okay, so yeah, okay, never mind. We're walking home. We're done with wait, no, we're not done with shooting. We're almost done with shooting.
We were meant to be done, but we're
Yeah.
not
Oh
done.
yeah. Oh my god. If we shot that
I know.
like scene
the
before,
other day.
we would
were
be
meant
done
to
by
shoot
now.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Because it's massive and something so
而家等緊 Cheryl 同食 breakfast，見到有啲人喺嗰度拍嘢，呢個就係琴日嘅我，嗰條帶就搞掂。而家着上身係咁樣。跟住
Next one。